Hey YouTube, what if I could show you a 5-minute method that can earn you up to $5,000 every month? Literally, it takes longer to drink a cup of coffee. If you're interested, stick around. First off, my name's John Artsberger, and on my channel I teach people just like you how to get started with online businesses using affiliate marketing. I've been doing this for over 10 years, and for the last 5 years I've earned 7 figures every single year. And on my channel, I show you the methods that I use every single day to do that. In a second, we'll head over to my YouTube channel. I'll show you how it's set up and how you guys can use it to your benefit. All right guys, so if you're new to my channel or new to my videos, let me show you my main page here on my YouTube channel. So these are basically series that I've created. They're basically like a course, really. A free course that I teach people or use to teach people how to make money online using affiliate marketing. As I mentioned before, I've been doing this for years and years and years. And let me just show you, this is my income. I'm gonna refresh it just so you can see it's live. This is the amount of money that I've made just with one affiliate program this year. This is since January. And we're actually using that platform in this training. So I'm teaching you guys exactly how to use it. This platform only costs 25 bucks and it gives you a funnel builder or a funnel that you can use pre-made. Basically takes hundreds of hours out of your life having to worry about funnel development and email marketing and all that. This company does it all for you for a low price, 25 bucks. So it's a great product, ideal for people just starting out with affiliate marketing. Now, you've landed on video 6 in our turn $5 per day into $5,000 per month. And in this series, we're just sending emails. We're actually using a platform that gives us leads. We get a certain amount of leads every week, or every day, sorry, and we can email those leads once a day with the platform. If you guys are just getting here now and it's the first time watching this series, what I would recommend is that you go to video day 1 if you want to do the email marketing series with us. And if you're just interested, if you're like interested in really getting into affiliate marketing, this series here goes through all of the different techniques that I use for affiliate marketing. So whichever one you want to check out, what I recommend is starting on video day 1 on either one of these. And we're on this series right now, so I'm going to continue on with the training. And yeah, if you have any questions or anything, feel free to reach out to me. My phone number is in the video description, so you can text me if you have any questions. All right, so let's jump into it today. Okay, so guys, what we're going to need is ChatGPT. We're going to need MLGS. So you guys open up your MLGS account, whichever one you want to use. Come on, there we go. All right, so one thing I wanted to tell you guys before we jump into this, I didn't know if I mentioned it before in one of the other videos, but you have access to all of your leads right here under My Leads. You can actually download all of your leads and you can clean them and then upload them to a different email marketing platform. For example, I use a company called, well, you can get there with joingetresponse.com. Let me check that real quick. Join. Yeah, joingetresponse.com. Sorry guys, I spelt it wrong there. I was wondering why it wouldn't work. This is a great email marketing platform. I've been using this for about 10 years, maybe 11 years now. And the reason I like it is because it's pretty cheap to use starting out. You don't need a ton of different contacts when you're first starting out, so this is super cheap to use. But that's one thing that you guys can do, and if you're interested, just shoot me a message and I'll kind of tell you how to set it up. I have some other videos that you can watch and learn how to set up your GetResponse. It's just another platform that you can utilize to send more emails out, kind of an automation, right? We do that in our HBA series, which is the other series on the channel that was right here. We're going to be using that in some of our training. That being said, let's get on to sending our emails for today. So let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT. So today, because we did five videos on HBA, now we're going to shift over and start sending some emails for MLGS. Now, real quick here, if you guys want, they have these emails.
Congratulations,
that
you made it into my program.
Created and vetted, and they're supposed to be pretty good. I have them on one of my accounts. I can't remember which one, but the problem is everybody's using those emails, okay? They're master email swipes. So you don't need to do that. We can use ChatGPT and just tell it to come up with an intriguing or engaging email right now. Please write me an engaging email to entice people to join my lead gen secret business opportunity. Okay, so we're gonna do that. And no leads means no conversations. Okay, see, so this is really cool. This is why I love ChatGPT, okay? I literally told it the name of the company, and it automatically looks through and sees what is my lead gen secret. Right here, it talks about the leads and conversions and everything. This is like, it's just amazing to me that ChatGPT has that much functionality, sorry. So let's go over to our mailing system. What we did was copied the actual email, the body of the email. Now remember, we're gonna delete this stuff in here, hold down Control and press V to paste this in here. You see where it has insert your link? We're gonna update this to click here. And that's where we're gonna put our MLGS email. So, we're gonna duplicate this for a second because I forgot to grab the email. So anyway, on your MLGS account, this is your affiliate link right here, by the way, okay? So if you guys created more than one account, you would have daisy chained it like I taught you before, but same thing. We're gonna grab that link. If you have one that you haven't daisy chained, you could use that link to send people to, okay? And then what it's gonna do is it's gonna take it down the entire line. You're gonna start earning through each one of your accounts. It's really cool. But that is what we're gonna be adding right here, okay? So we're going to hover over that. We're gonna insert the URL and press OK. Now it's in there. We're also gonna do this, make it bold, and we're gonna update the size of everything to 16, okay? A little bit bigger, it looks nicer. We're also gonna go up here and grab the name tag, copy that, and we're gonna paste it right here with Control V. Now that's gonna pull up their name, as I mentioned before, so that it's more personalized. And just make sure you have it signed down here. Click on perfect timing. Up at the top here, make sure to select all of your leads. And now we need the subject line. We're gonna go over here and just grab this subject line that it came up with. Okay. Back here, paste it in. We're gonna look, make sure everything's good. Got our leads, got everything. Okay, now we're gonna hit send email. Bam. Now that's gonna send that off to these leads, and they're gonna be joining MLGS with it, and it works fantastically. It really works great. It does, because they've done a lot of marketing already for you. So we're basically remarketing to these leads, okay? So they have probably already heard of MLGS. Now we're remarketing to them, and it works. It's even better than sending it to another platform, okay? So that being done, we're gonna duplicate, well, I have an account duplicated already, but make sure you duplicate it. Log out of the second one, and then log in with another one of your accounts, okay? And then we're just gonna copy everything over. So mailing system, we're gonna select our leads. We're gonna get our subject line right here. We're gonna paste it in, and then we're gonna grab our body of our email. We might as well just erase all this stuff right now. Go over here, grab the body of the email, copy it back over here. You have to hold control and press V to paste it in, and then hit perfect timing. Just make sure you got everything done and then send it on its way, okay? Send email. Now, something that you guys can do, I haven't talked about it much, but what you guys can do with this is you can also see how your emails are doing. So if you go to home, you're gonna see how many were opened and the click-through rate. Now my accounts are gonna look a little bit different than yours because I literally use these accounts, the ones that I'm working with you guys with, I use these for 100 different affiliate products. So the people that I'm emailing, a lot of them have dropped off because I just keep hammering them with different opportunities, but I do that to test it, okay? And to test those opportunities. And some of them we're gonna be using later on in this training. So some of the ones that we get really good sales from. That being said, that's really it for today, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. And listen, if you're new to my channel, do me a favor and subscribe. I really appreciate it. You know, most of the people that watch my channel don't even subscribe. And I really would appreciate it if you did that. And if you like this video, leave me a like on it. If you need any help, got any questions, leave me a comment or just shoot me a text. My number's in the video description. That being said, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next video.